Please kindly share and subscribe to everyone. It may useful to others also. Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant. This query asked by one of my friends. He went for an interview, so they asked this sort of query. So he is unable to solve it. So he asked me to solve this. Okay. So here is the both things are there. First of all, try to understand that here both things are there. One thing is that text and numbers. You have to extract only the numbers. Okay, see, before going to show the solution, first of all, I'll copy this one and I will paste over here because I have to show you the solution. Now, see, if I change only one here, it will extract one. If I change 1, 2, 3, comma, A, B, C, comma, WXY. So it has to extract only 1, 2, 3. Okay, understood? Now, I will show you how to do that. No need to confuse, it's very easy. Just you have to understand the concept, then you will able to understand. See, first of all, I want to extract each and every value from the data is equal to a mid of substitute of ampersand. So this is the delimiter. So I use the comma here. Comma is the delimiter and I'm locking only the column but not the row. Comma, old text, comma, and the new text you have to repeat 255 times. Why 255 times? It's a maximum number in a Excel. Okay, close parenthesis here is completed. Now, new text. What will be the new text? See, here is the old text. Here is the value. Here is the old text. Here is the replacing with a new text, that is space. Now, starting number. What I'll do, I use 1 into 255, comma 255. Okay. Then it will extract only the 1, 2, 3, F9. See, with a lot of spaces. Okay. If I type 2 here, it will extract second, that is XYZ, F9. Okay, now I want only the numbers. Okay, so what I'll do here, I use one function, row of indirect. So many times I explained this one. I don't want to explain once again why I'm using this type of this. Okay, locking the column but not the row, close parenthesis, and close parenthesis. Okay, now I do F9. See, all numbers are there, including empty strings. Okay, now I want only the numbers. I'll copy this one because I have to use so many times. Double negative F9. See, text are removed and converted into a value. Now it is showing only the numbers. Okay, text number into a number is equal to number. Okay, this is the thing. Now what I'll do here, I'll just do one thing. Small if is number. If is number. If you find any number, close parenthesis. If you find any number in this row of indirect, again I'm using this one, ampersand length of this. The same formula. See here I use the same formula. Okay. Locking the column. Close parenthesis, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Okay. I don't want false, close parenthesis. Comma, the k value 1. F9. So it will reflect 1. If I type for k value for the sum 2, it will reflect 2. The smallest value. See what it will show you. Enter. I will explain you. Here, logical test. F9, see. All truths are there. Here, F9, all 1, 2, 3. Wherever it finds the truth will pick up the corresponding from here to here. Okay. The K value is 2. So it will pick up the second smallest. So I don't want like that. I don't want like that. I want like this. Columns of the formula in B7. I log B7 colon B7. Close paras. Okay, this is the formula. Enter. Now I'll drag this. I'll show you all magics. Control D. So somewhere I forgot to lock. Where I went lock. Somewhere I wait a minute. I have to. Somewhere I forgot. Everything is right only. Mm-hmm. It has to come. Yes. Yes. Okay. You know. 1 and 3 are numbers. 1 and 3 are numbers. Only 1 is numbered. 1. 3 are numbers. 1, 2, 3. Now I'll do one magic over here. Index of. Just now I copied this one. Before starting the solution, I copied this one. Okay. So I place in place of array, comma, close parenthesis, enter. Control R, Control D. F2, if you find any error in this function, if error, show me the blank. Extracting only numbers when it is having numbers and a text in a value. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. I'm expecting more views and subscriptions